baby, otherwise known as my wardrobe. If any of you know me, you know my room is usually in a constant state of chaos, but my wardrobe is usually clean because I love my clothes, keep track of them at all times. I go crazy if something goes missing. I was gonna film a get my shit together video for college because I own way too many things just in my room in general. I want to do up my room, that's gonna be a separate video, but I got really invested in the cleaning process and here we are. Basically I got swept up in the cleaning process and I stopped filming. I mean, I might insert some clips here, but there's not that many. So instead I was like, you know what? I need to declutter my wardrobe. I need to put stuff up on Depop and I need to just get rid of stuff, see if my sister wants it, whatever. So we're gonna go through my wardrobe. I also want to like reorganize it. I don't know if that'll be in this video. If it is, I will be doing it tomorrow, but right now we're just gonna do my clothes. So let's get started. We're gonna go section by section and I think we'll Marie Kondo it. I'll take everything out and put everything back in. I feel like we're gonna need to start somewhere small, so I'm thinking I'll start with bottoms. This is like the main part of my wardrobe right now. And there's like drawers. I have shorts. Bear in mind this is not all of my clothes because a lot of my clothes are in the wash right now. I've been on a lot of holidays, the washing is like still catching up, but I'm just doing this. Obviously any clothes that are in the wash I've worn recently, so I probably don't need to get rid of them. Skirts, jeans / trousers. So now this drawer is empty and we can decide what's going back in and what's not. I'm gonna move that mirror right now. First we're gonna do jeans. Miss Me jeans, they're staying. I'll fold them properly after, by the way. These ones I've worn so much since I got them, my 7 jeans, that they still have the belt in them and I'm not taking it out because I'll probably wear them tomorrow. Vintage low-rise office jeans. They have these little front pockets. Back pockets are the same, they're very cute and they're boot cut. I will be keeping. Black weekday jeans, staple, can't go wrong. Wide leg, low rise. They're a bit too mid-rise for me. They're too baggy on my thighs, they're too long, they're just not that comfortable. They're just like black suit pants, so I'll keep them, I guess. Flares, flared cargos from H&M. Okay, so I got rid of 5 skirts, six skirts, a pair of jeans, and a pair of shorts, which is pretty good. And then I have like 3 pairs of shorts in the wash, maybe. I also am like dying to replace all my hangers with just like black velvet ones. By the way, I'm keeping this one. It's just out for washing. This I think is time to say goodbye to, unfortunately. And then I have this denim Tommy Hilfiger jacket, which I will be keeping. This might not look organized, but I promise you it is. It has all my handbags. My heels are just on top of here right now. It just doesn't close, but in a sec. These are just fleeces. I'm gonna keep them all for now. Just good to have. Abercrombie jumper, love that one. This one I think I'm just gonna I'll keep it in here. This Abercrombie is the backup for my juicy one, and my other Abercrombie is dirty. Just I love tight fitting hoodies like that. This grey tight hoodie, just handy, I guess, I don't know. Now we're gonna go through my tops. We have black tank tops, white tank tops, going out tops and miscellaneous color tank tops, cover-ups, t-shirts, more t-shirts, great. So we'll start with the t-shirts. This is my AC/DC t-shirt. this is the same. This is all the stuff that was in here where that like organized box I have now is. But I'm gonna deal with that tomorrow. Today is just about getting rid of clothes. Keep, I can't decide. I need to try it on. Keep for now, but I need to wear it or I have to get rid of it. Keep both of these are just long skirts. Keep and keep. Keep, but I need to alter it. Keep. This is my birthday dress, which I will keep for now. But this one is a holiday dress and I can't keep it anymore because I don't wear it. Keep this one. I think this one needs to go. It just doesn't fit me right. Last two, keeping both these. You know my love for this dress, and this dress is really cool. Was gonna wear it to a festival, didn't get to. Okay, now speed round, shirts. Don't wear either of these, so gotta go. I don't wear this white shirt. I feel like it's good to have even for like costumes. This one is cute, but I don't wear it, so she can go. And I also don't wear this one, so it can go too. And I actually went through my cardigans and jumpers the other day, and as of right now, I'm gonna keep them on because I need to see what I'm gonna wear in the winter, but they're actually organized for once, only because I haven't touched them since. We've done pretty well. Okay, this is my depop. This is my, for my sisters / the charity bag, and these are the maybes that I have to try on. So I'm just gonna fold up the depop stuff to list, and then I'll throw this in a bag for my sisters to look through, I think. Hello, it is the next day. I'm here in my room. Progress has been made. My room's actually pretty clean for once. My nightstand is messy, but I've got my laundry. These are bins I had to move because of what I'm about to do right now. And my desk is nice and clean, which it never is, but mostly is right now. It's got some stuff on it, but that's all stuff I need to use for cleaning. So basically, I have my dresser here. This is terrible filming. And I want to clear out my toiletries from it and instead put my clothes in it. Let me turn the camera on and explain. Okay, so I've got like technology stuff, so all my cameras, wires and everything, and chargers. I keep like my purses in here and vouchers, like really, that's kind of a junk drawer, low-key, but I know what's in there. This is all toiletries and this is sewing and art stuff, but I moved most of my art stuff into this box here. It's all really nice and organized now, so I should have room in there because I might take my sewing box out and just put it there, get rid of this stuff. Anyway, basically I want to put my pajamas and workout clothes in there if I can, because they are currently here. And then as for organizing, I put everything up here on mostly the same hangers, the velvety ones. I've got jackets, blouses, hoodies and fleeces. I organized this drawer into t-shirts, baby tees, off the shoulder t-shirts, tube tops, white tank tops, miscellaneous going out tops, and these are all tank tops as well, jeans, shorts, skirts, and then we have chaos down here. So we're going to take all this stuff out, we're going to put all my toiletries on my bed, go through them, and I will come back when I've done that and when I'm going to put stuff back into the drawers, because this is going to take me a while. Okay, this is the update. I promise it's an organized mess. These are my pajamas. This is just like a sports jumper. This is all sports stuff, and then this is all pajamas as well. So that was good progress, actually. I can't believe I got that on there. So I'll show you now what I did with my cardigans and jumpers. These are like jumpers, cardigans, long sleeve tops and jumpers. They're pretty organized. I don't know if they'll stay like this, but I will try. I've never had them in a drawer like this before, but it's just a nightmare having clothes in these drawers. So I've put all my bikinis, toiletries, everything, and those are like toiletry bags and stuff, and there'll probably be more stuff to go in there. We'll see, but I still have my handbags up here. And then all these like memory boxes I do still need to sort out, but I think I'd need my dad and like a ladder and then I'll clean out like the bottom drawer of this, and it'll all be able to go in there, or a lot of it, but I don't know if I can do that today. I don't actually know if I have the strength. I didn't realize, but I actually never filmed an outro for this video. I filmed this a long time ago, and I actually went blonde since, so that's a bit of an update. You're about 3 videos behind. I am going to explain why I've been gone. My dad's laptop stopped working with like the videos from my camera, so I had to wait till I got my own laptop for college, and that ended up taking 2 more weeks than it was supposed to because Curry's PC world messed up. But I have my own laptop now, which makes it easier to edit. But I was so mad because I like had pre-filmed before I went away on holiday, and before I had like my Debs, which is a prom in Ireland, if any of you didn't know. So I had all the videos ready. I wasn't gonna miss a week. I had 3 videos pre-filmed, ready to go, and then I wasn't able to edit them. So that's where we were at. So I took some time off, but I'm back and I'm able to edit, and I am gonna be here. So thank you guys so much for watching. There will be more from me. I will be consistent. Thank you for everyone who missed my videos. I appreciated it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.